Okay, for 26, they want us to find the area of the base, right? First, the area of the base of each cylinder, and then the volume of each cylinder, right? So for A, the area of the base is pi r squared, because it's a circle. So the area equals pi times 5 squared. So the area is 25 pi centimeters squared. There's the area of the base. And then for the volume is the base area times the height, right? So the volume is 25 pi times the height, which is 10. So the volume equals 250 pi centimeters cubed. There's the area and volume of A. Okay, now let's do B, right? So let me make space. So the area of the base is pi r squared, and the area is pi times the radius, which is 3.4 squared, right? 3.4 squared. So for this one, we get the area equals 11.56 pi centimeters squared. There's the area of the base. And the next one asks us for the volume, and we know the volume equals the base area times the height. So the volume equals 11.56 pi times the height, which is 9. And if we multiply that, we get 104.04 pi centimeters cubed for the volume. And there's the area and volume of the second.